I've made a mad dash over to the Fachwen side of the Padarn Park to get a recording over there because, as we saw in a previous video, the geology and the fauna is different. So I've chosen a place where we have the tops of the trees here, and we are here below another set of trees. So it's like a step. Some birds call and feed from tops of trees and others from the floor. So I think this might give us an interesting variation into some of the recordings. There are a few people just up here wandering around, so I want to get finished as fast as possible. I'm running on fumes at the moment. I'm setting up a drop rig on this tree. Clippy there, power bank and the recorder's down there. They're up and running. So I'm going to head off home via the chippy for a chippy dinner and get my head down, and I'll see you back here tomorrow. So we made it, and it turns out that the weather was much better than the forecast on the weekend. There was only a few gusts of wind earlier on, but it's absolutely fine now. So we've got here to the drop rig, and is it still turned on? Let's have a look. Power bank's on. Excellent, 44%. Recorder's still on. Brilliant. Right, I'll dismantle this now. I'll stick the hour before and after dusk and dawn in the Padarn Park playlist. And if there's any interesting snippets, I'll leave it at the end of the video. Now, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.